Welcome to WhatGear Reviews, tech reviews coming to you from rainy old England. Today it's not raining, luckily, and I'm here at the Soho Hotel, central London, to check out the brand new Sony HT-A9. I made a video about it, just talking about the specs and stuff like this, but today I'm actually going to get to hear what it's actually like, and I'm going to do my best to get the experts to talk about it a little bit as well. Anyway, let's go. Okay, so I'm now on level 5 of the Soho Hotel, and there is a suite set up with a Sony OLED TV here and the HT-A9 speaker setup. So we've got 4 speakers, no subwoofer and no center channel, but it is like a 4.0.4 speaker system that can emulate a 7.1.7, I think it is, with virtual speakers all around. And guess who's in the next room? Here he is. It's Tom from Sony 365. And what's your first impressions of the sound?
I've been extraordinarily impressed, and I've enjoyed myself enormously. Going back to my own temporary setup is going to be a massive disappointment.
It is amazing the way the sound kind of comes from all angles in the room. It's not just like having 2 or 3 extra speakers above your head. It's literally all around you. It's amazing. And design wise, it's a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be. They're actually pretty large speakers. And I don't know if you guys saw me talking about the design of the speakers and how they have a bevel baffle edge. There is an expert here who can shed some light on what that actually means. Bevel baffle edge.
The beveled baffle edge. What we're talking about is the baffle, which is the integral part of the loudspeaker. It's the sounding board, in a way, that sits on the main structure at the front of the speaker. By beveling it, bevel I noticed, bevel baffle, in other words, we angle it. So what we do is we control the surface diffraction. In other words, all the energy and the sound waves that are set up on it are controlled in such a manner that it allows the speaker, I suppose for want of a better word, to breathe more effectively, to open itself up into the air, to reach you, the listener, and deliver a better experience.
There you go. I bet you're baffled.
You may be beveled.
So I know some of you guys are wondering about the center channel and how that works. So it's actually a standard analog jack that goes from the control box that you see here to a Sony TV, and it will only be newer Sony TVs, so 2020 and onwards, that will support this center channel. But to be honest, when I was listening to these speakers without that center channel, I was blown away. It sounds like there's a subwoofer in the room. It sounds like there's way more speakers in the room, and just the kind of impact you get all around you, it literally is like there's so many speakers in the room. I was truly blown away. And if you guys kind of enjoyed this vlog first impression style video, I'll try and make more of them, and a thumbs up might go some way to me actually getting hands on and doing a proper full-on review on this product. So I'd appreciate that. And if you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man, and I will see you in the next one, so don't be late.